Welcome back to the Average Mike Show. Yeah, here at the house, this here went out. That's the furnace valve, and more than likely the igniter inside. So I'm gonna have to change out both of them parts just to be on the safe side. Brand new one in here somewhere. Yeah, there's a brand new one. I gotta get to work now. And here it is. Okay. Now we're going to disconnect the electric here. Yeah, as you can see, this has two nuts on it. What you do is you got to grab both of them, and you just push the wrenches together like that. Twist it a couple times with the wrench. You should be able to get it off the rest of the way with your fingers. Yeah, guess. I got one, so I got another one, so I don't need to salvage that part. That's pretty good right now. So yeah, let's just quit screwing around with all that, and we'll just get that out. Now get it in. This brand new one here. Oh wait, no, that's the other one. Okay. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, good rubber seal on there. That's keep the gas from leaking out. Yeah, killing everybody in the house. Or blowing up the first time you turn it on. Yeah, we don't want none of that going on. So yeah, first, as always, get all your bolts in before you tighten anything up. There it is. Found it. Okay. No, I'm not going to tell that joke right now. And the fourth one. Okay. And tighten. Yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna try this. Try this as it is first, and we're just doing this. And if it still doesn't work, I gotta do the igniter too. Yeah. See that? It doesn't fit quite right, and that's why I'm always telling you to wait till you got all the bolts into place before you try to tighten anything down. Because you might not get it. Alright, switching back to the 8. Now all that's left is to reconnect this gas line, and this is about ready to at least try to start it. Which I'm about to do right now. Okay. I think that'll do. Now, turn the gas back on. Doesn't smell like anything's leaking. It's a little warm in the house right now though, so yeah, we'll see. Switch that to heat. Okay, that's all the way up. This is just a test that I'm not going to keep my house 80 degrees all the time. Got it. There it is, folks. Got this thing done. Yeah, now we got heat in the house again. We can turn off the fireplace and the space heater. Well, the fireplace is a space heater too, so yeah, anyways. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. There's that smiley face with some broken teeth down over here. Yeah. Over here. Come on, click on it. You know you want to. Yeah, that also works as a subscribe button. You're new to my channel. Yeah, I just did that, didn't I? We'll probably leave it at anyways. Like the video, smash the thumbs up for me. I appreciate that. Yeah, don't forget to hit that share button. It's right about here, give or take. Oh, I'm not feeling too good. Yeah, you got anything you want to see us in future videos? You got any suggestions? You go ahead and leave that in the comments. Till next time, thanks for rolling with Average Mike.